Okay, let's do a hard reset for this LG Stylo 5 from Boost Mobile. And this process is to remove any password, pattern, or pin blocking the screen of the phone. And it is important that you know your Google account associated with the phone because after the factory reset, you have to confirm or verify Google in order to proceed and get to the home screen. And everything stored in the phone's internal memory, like pictures, videos, contacts, web history, any downloaded applications or games will be removed or lost from the phone. So if you did a backup with your Google account with the same account after the factory reset, you will be able to restore or retrieve everything on your phone. Okay, and this is a hard reset, remove password, pattern, pin. If you're looking just to do a factory reset from phone settings, I'm gonna leave a link on the description of this video or the comment section, so you just open that link and follow the steps to factory reset this phone. Okay, with the phone power off, you want to use volume up and power key, and go ahead and remove external memory card as well. Okay, volume up and power key, as soon as the LG logo appears, just release for 1 second and press again the power key. And when you see a recovery menu on the screen, you're gonna release both keys. Okay, so volume up and power key, release and press. Okay, release both keys when you see this option. Alright, using volume down, we're gonna highlight yes and press the power key to continue. Our next step is to confirm. We already talked about that everything is gonna be deleted in this phone, and it's important that you know how you have to know your Google account associated with the phone. Just press the power key and make sure that your password is associated with the Google account, because I have subscribers on my channel saying that they are sure that the password that they know is the one with their email address, but it doesn't let them continue. So you have any computer or laptop that you never have used your account, just go log into that, make sure that everything is working properly. Okay, press the power key to confirm, and here is where the factory reset will start um, on this phone. Okay, so just wait a few seconds, and just wait a few seconds, I mean 5 to 8 minutes, for the phone to properly reboot and take us to the initial setup, where you will be able to select register language, register any Google account or open a new one, and continue to the home screen. Just in case that your phone gets stuck on the LG logo or Android package or carrier's logo, that means something is wrong with the motherboard. Just long press the power key to power off the phone and start over again with the process. With the same process using volume up and power key. That helps to calibrate the motherboard and your phone will work properly. Um, Sometimes we download so many applications or games, and we also delete games or applications or any musical games, or a lot of web history, web browsing, and so many cookies on the phone, and that actually kind of ruin the motherboard. And we fail to at least reboot our phones at least 3 times a month, since the battery is internal, and that's when the motherboard it doesn't work properly. So this hard reset helps a lot to kind of fix issues with a lot of drop calls, or your phone just turns off itself, and things like that. Okay, so if that is your case, I recommend you to do this hard reset, but also make sure that you know your Google account associated with the phone, and that you are able to do a backup to save all your files on your Google account, so you won't lose anything like contacts and important purchased games or applications. Okay, so there you go. So we are almost to the initial setup screen. Okay, so let's choose the language. So these are the languages that you are able to use with this phone, and just we stay with English and hit the blue arrow to continue. And if you already have an active SIM card from Boost Mobile or any of your carrier, go ahead and insert the SIM card. Or on the next step, you will be able to register a Wi-Fi account, because actually need a Wi-Fi in order to proceed and use to confirm and verify Google. Okay, so in this step, so if you already have an active SIM card, this at this point will start to searching aromatic programming to register your SIM card to Boost Mobile network. So it's gonna take here a few minutes, but since we don't have any SIM card on this phone, I will be let us continue. And if you have issue with this and you're not able to uh, pass the step because you don't want the phone to be active on a account, so just remove the SIM card so it can let you continue. Okay, so right here we're gonna select your time zone and then the date to switch month, and once hit the OK you're gonna save, and the time, this is the hour in minutes, AM or PM, and then hit OK to save the time you have selected, and then go ahead and hit the next button to continue. Google services, I recommend you to have everything on. Use location settings, the anything that you search on the Google search engine. The result that you're gonna get first is the one on your phone's location, and you're gonna be notified if you have any Wi-Fi available in your area, so you can actually take advantage of it and save some data on your data package. And you will receive notification if there is any update for your Android to download it and stay up to date. Okay. Set up fingerprint, pattern pin or password to lock your screen, or you can do this once you get to the home screen. So you can choose no things, and you can set up this later. Okay, legal documents. Just check every box and hit the done button, and then we are done setting up this phone programming. Okay, so this is basically what I want to show. Let me know if you have any questions. Please let me know and subscribe to my channel so you can search another some more tutorials about this LG, in case that you need help with talkback issue or just a factory reset, or the keyboard has been disappeared by accident, and any other support that you would like to have with this phone. Um, so yeah, so this is the home screen of the phone, and okay, so um, let's go and set up a lock screen for this phone in case that you need help with this setup. So once you open the settings, this is his home screen that you're gonna get. So let's go and choose the general, and the first option is locks and screen. lock screen security, and then let's go and select lock screen, select screen lock, and then so now we have no lock screen or swipe. You can choose a pattern, pin, or password. I like the password, so I'm gonna show you how to set up a password. You can choose to require password to turn on the phone or power off the phone, or you can choose no thanks. Your phone automatically, once you finish turn on, automatically we will lock the screen anyways, so you don't have to worry about this. And also, you power off the phone, you have to um, you can choose to enter the password or just let the phone goes off itself right away. So here you can choose letters. So no minimum of 4 letters and 4 numbers. And you want to switch any symbol, just touch this and you can use any other symbol. So I'm gonna choose just the stilo 1, 2, 3 and hit the next button and confirm the same. So and you want to add symbol, which went to how to add symbol on this. So just hit OK to confirm and show all notification. Once you turn off your lock screen, you want to show all notification or high sensitive notification. That means that high sensitive notification are social media, email notification, and high sensitive. It's you once you turn off the lock screen, you're just gonna see the date and time, and that's it. If you download a weather application, you're gonna sure see the weather of your location. So you choose any of those 3 options. I hit OK to save, and let's go and check it out. Okay, Stilo 1, 2, 3, and done. Okay, if you want to switch your or change your lock screen, just go settings, lock screen security again, select screen lock, enter your password, stilo123, done. And now you're able to switch into pattern or pin. So pattern is the same question. Do you want the required pattern to turn on or turn off the phone? I will say no. And now you can draw a pattern that you would like to have on your lock screen. Okay, so you can choose from any, you can start from any of these point. Let's say you want to, you can start from the in the middle, on the one of the corner at the ends, or on this one, and you can just draw the pattern, and when you have the desired pattern, just release at that point. Okay, and this is your pattern. Now hit the next button, and you're gonna have to draw the same pattern to confirm. Okay, so I will just do a Z. Okay, hit the next button, and I will do the same Z, and that's when everything went approved. Now confirm, and my screen lock has been changed into a pattern. So I'm gonna try it here. I'm gonna draw the Z, and there you go. Alright, so this is how to set up a password pattern and pin as well. Just go back to settings and then select screen lock, and then um, confirm your pattern, and now choose 6 to 8 digits security pin for your screen. Okay, well, thanks so much for choosing my video. Let me know if you have any other questions. Like I said, please subscribe to my channel and find other tutorials related to this LG Stylo 5, I mean LG Stylo 5. um, if you forget your password, pattern, or pin, blocking the screen of your phone, or you just want to do a factory reset, or you have issue with your keyboard or things like that. Okay, any question you have, please let me know, and subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks so much.